Pinky artists. Perfect timing! Today, we're drawing Catnap, the cool, sleepy character as the Sprunki mod in Incredibox. Grab your art supplies, and let's make this cool kitty come to life! Catnap creates music inspired by the sound of gentle snores and soft purrs. They wear a cozy hoodie with cat ears. It's their favorite outfit. Catnap may look relaxed, but their beats pack a punch. Catnap often adds a ZZZ sound effect to their performances. What kind of expression should Catnap have? Happy or extra sleepy? Extra sleepy? Perfect for their vibe. They love napping on top of amplifiers. They say it's warm and peaceful. I believe he enjoys what he sees. Wow! Catnap is already looking adorable. With beautiful, soft colors will make him even more magical. Let's bring this sleepy kitty to life with your favorite crayons or markers. Catnap's hoodie has tiny paw prints that glow in the dark during performances. Catnap loves munching on catnip cookies. Yum! Please like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to make sure you don't miss any new videos. With their laid-back vibe and groovy tunes, Catnap is always catching a musical dream. Catnap loves collaborating with Funbot and Kickin' Chicken for unique tracks. They're known for their soft pastel colors, which match their chill vibe. The best beats come from the quietest dreams. Well done! Catnap is ready to nap and groove in our drawing. We did an amazing job today. And I'm so proud of you. Thanks for drawing with me. It was so much fun. See you next time, and keep being the amazing artist you are.